12,000. Then add new purchases, machinery newly purchased, new purchases. So whatever may be the amount, it shows in the trial balance, that is the adjustment. So write only new purchases. Again keep one line blank and then write less depreciation. Less depreciation. Whatever may be the amount of depreciation, we writing there after adjustment. So debit balances of trial balance we are recorded. Now come to the credit balances. Credit balances. Capital accounts are given. Partners capital account credit side. Go to the partners capital account. Separately we are prepared. Credit side, buy balance brought down. Buy balance brought down. All the partners 12,000, 12,000, 12,000. So A column 12,000, B column 12,000 and M column 12,000. Then the sales are given. Trading account credit side. Trading account credit side. Buy sales. Inner column 92,000. 92,000. Less returns. The debit balance of returns is deducted from sales. So debit balance is given 800. So 92,000 minus returns 800. Outer column total 91,200. 91,200. Then bad debts provision is given. Now this is the credit balance. So P&L appropriation account, sorry, P&L account, not appropriation, P&L account. Keep one line blank for recording gross profit brought down. And second line, by provision for bad debts. By provision for bad debts. Underline. Underline. Next line. Old. Old. This is the old. 3,000 is given is old. Inner column. Less new. 3,000 less new. Now whatever may be the new, it can be find out from the adjustment. So we can record it afterwards. Then bank loan. Loan is a liability. So balance sheet liability side. Keep 2-3 lines blank. Liability side keep 1-2-3 lines blank. And then write bank loan. Bank loan 6,750 outer column. Direct amount column 6,750. Then creditors liability side. Creditors 25,500. 25,500. Now there are some unrecorded. So write it to inner column creditors. Creditors inner ला घ्या 25,500. Add unrecorded, add unrecorded. So whatever may be the unrecorded, we can consider in the adjustment. We can consider in the adjustment. So next is bills payable, balance sheet liability side, bills payable, direct outer column 900, direct outer column 900. Next, other loan, liability side, other loan 2000 amount column, 2000 amount column. So these are the particular recording of balances of trial balance. So on 1st July 2013, A died. So July A was died, and the following adjustments were agreed upon for the purpose of changes in the constitution, and you are required to give the effect to them. Now goodwill was to be raised at rupees 30,000 and brought into the books. First, effect of goodwill balance sheet asset side. One line we are kept blank. So write on the asset side goodwill, amount column direct 30,000, amount column direct 30,000. And second effect, partners capital account credit side, partners capital account credit side by goodwill, by goodwill. Now all are equal partners. So partners sharing ratio is not given in the problem. Then we are considered or assumed that all the partners are equal partners. So 30,000 divided by 3 for each partner's column, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. By goodwill, A 10,000, B 10,000 and M 10,000. Next, machinery worth rupees 24,000 was purchased on 31st March 2013, but the purchase invoice was not recorded in the books. मशिनरी खरेदी केलेली आहे पण त्याचं रेकॉर्डिंग केलेलं नाही. बॅलन्स शीट असेट साइड फर्स्ट इफेक्ट, add a new purchase of machinery. Machinery we are recorded 12,000 and add new purchase 24,000. Inner column total 36,000. Inner column total 36,000. त्याच्यातून आपण डिप्रिशिएशन वजा करणार आहे, नंतर बघू. Now another effect of unrecorded purchases. Balance sheet liability side creditors we are recorded 25,500 and add unrecorded purchases, 24,000. creditors मध्ये ऍड करायचे थे unrecorded 24,000 and then outer column total 49,500. 49,500. Next, balance standing to the credit of A after giving effect to the above was to be treated as loan of his misses account. त्याचं जे काय बॅलन्स P&L कॅपिटलला राहील तो आपण मिसेसचं लोन म्हणून दाखवणार. and it may have the 15% per annum interest. त्याचा आपण नंतर विचार करू. Further adjustments at the year ended. Number 1, closing stock. Closing stock first effect, trading account credit side by closing stock 14,300, direct amount column 14,300, and another effect, balance sheet asset side, closing stock 14,300, 14,300. Next, bad debts provision is to be kept at rupees 1,500. First effect, profit and loss account credit side, old bad debts are given 3,000 less new 1,500, less new 1,500. Inner column loss total 1,500, 1,500. Now 1,500 divided by 2, first column 750, another column 750. So both columns same amount.